Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're older but goodie, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a skincare routine on how I treat my skin with acne and hyperpigmentation. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, you've probably been noticing that I have been posting kind of a lot of more skincare videos, tips, and tricks, and people actually been asking me about how I've been able to clear my skin. I do suffer a lot with acne, especially around the chin area before the whole mask situation, but the mask definitely does not make it any better. And I also suffer with discoloration or hyperpigmentation in my skin after a breakout. So in today's video, I will be showing you my step-by-step skincare routine on how to fight acne and treat acne, and as well as to calm down some of the hyperpigmentation that you may have on your face related to acne. So let's go ahead and get started, dude. So one thing with me when it do come with skincare products, I do love to use a lot of clean beauty brand type of products. Now, I don't use all clean beauty products, but for the most part, I do try to do that more often. Some products that aren't clean beauty products, it just works so good for my skin. It's just going to be here forever, okay? But I do have makeup on my face, as you can see. I'm just going to go ahead and get off camera, go ahead and pin it up, and then I'm going to be back. Okay, now that my hair is nice and pinned up, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the cleansing process first. Now, one thing when it comes to me, I really suggest if you do wear makeup a lot or just wear makeup in general, I do suggest to actually clean your face twice. That is something that I do and that works for me. I honestly clean my face twice, like a two-step cleansing process, no matter if I wear makeup or not. But when I do wear makeup, I do love to use a gentle cleanser. And one of my first cleansers I do love to start off with is the First Aid Beauty face cleanser. This works to actually remove any type of surface oil, makeup, dirt, and impurities, and it is great for sensitive skin, which I love. And then along with this cleanser, I do love to use my Foreo cleansing device. This is the Luna Mini 1 or 2, I can't really remember, but I will link down all the products that I do use in this video down below in the description box. So I really do love to use this Foreo cleansing device just because it is a vibrator cleansing device, and it actually vibrates for 60 seconds, so a minute long cleansing of your skin. I do love to cleanse my face for 60 seconds at least, just to get out all the dirt and impurities that sit inside of my pores, and just to get a nice deep down cleanse. Okay, I'm done cleaning my face for the first time using the First Aid, Lord, I look so crazy, using the First Aid Beauty face cleanser. And this is it picked up a lot of makeup, as you can see, so I'm going to go ahead and just rinse off my face with my Clean Skin Club towel. Now, I love to use these towels mainly because of the fact that they are clean towels compared to using a physical face wash towels, like those regular bath towels, just because those bath towels can collect a lot of bacteria and they're not technically fully clean. So I love to use the Clean Skin Club face towel just because they are disposable and they're more cleaner than the regular face towel. Now that I cleaned off all the makeup, now you can actually see my discoloration spots, my dark spots that I do have, and just a few little acne spots. It's not too bad, but I do suffer with a lot of discoloration here on my cheeks. And then I have one slowly recovering acne scar there, and then a few here, but it's very, very mild. As far as my skin, I do have oily skin as well, but with my acne, my face is really smooth, as you can see. It's no raises for the most part, which I like, and that's how I know that what I'm doing actually works, because it's very, very smooth. Now, it's just the problem of the discoloration, but it was actually worse than this before in the past. The acne part is more of a priority to me than it is the dark spots, but I am going to be showing you what I use for both. So my second step for my cleansing process, I do love to use my Urban Skin RX cleansing bar. So I do love to switch between my clear skin cleansing bar and my Resurfacing Vitamin C cleansing bar. Now, both of these cleansing bar works really, really good for acne. The clear skin one helps to control oil, blemish, deep clean pores, and the resurfacing vitamin C cleansing bar actually has 2.5% of niacinamide, lactic acid, and kojic acid, which really helps to fight acne and help with dark spots. But both of these actually helps to do kind of the same thing. This one is more of a pro strength collection, so it has more stronger ingredients if you do have more issues with acne and dark spots. But I do like to use these two interchangeably, so these are two of my favorites. But in today's video, I am going to be using the Clear Skin Urban Skin RX Cleansing Bar. So I just wet the pad here, and this is what the cleansing bar actually looks like inside. It's just pretty much just a bar, and then I just make a nice lather inside of here. Nice and juicy, as you can see. Beautiful. Use this nice lather, and then I just kind of like exfoliate my skin. After applying the Urban Skin RX Clear Skin Cleansing onto my face, I like to leave it on for 3 minutes just to use it as a mask, and then I just wipe it away with my Clean Skin Club face towel, and then I'm just going to go ahead and move on to toning my skin. Now, one of my favorite products that I do love to use to tone my skin, which I featured a lot on this channel, is actually the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I like this one just because it do help remove some of the impurities that are in your skin, and also softens the skin, and it is also a clean beauty brand, which I love, honey. So I just like to put this on a little small cotton rob, and then I just make sure that I just rub it upward all over my face, and then I also make sure that I get my neck as well. After toning my face, I'm going to go in with a face mask. I'm going to be using the Fresh Rose face mask, which I am completely obsessed with. And just apply it all over my face. And then I'm going to go under a face steamer for about a minute. Just open up my pores just to get all the nutrients and ingredients that are inside of this rose face mask. And then once I'm done with this face mask, I'm going to go ahead and tone my face once again, and then move on to my next step. Now that we're done all the cleansing and the masking, the next step that I like to use is a acne spot treatment type of thing. If I do have breakouts, which I have one up here and then just some here. I don't put it all over my face. I just do like it says, a spot treatment. One product that I love to use is the Clean and Clear Advantage Rapid Gel. This helps to unclog pores. This is an immediate action. It's oil free, and it helps to reduce any type of spots for acne that you may have. So I like to just apply it directly to the spots. I don't put too much, and that's it. Just massage it in there. So a little bit definitely goes a long way, and I like this product. This is like an OG type of product, okay? This product, when I tell you, like, give it at least 2-3 days, baby, acne is flat, okay? Now, when it do come to acne, one of the most important things that you should do when it comes to treating acne and helping to fight any type of increasing in discoloration is always wear an SPF when you are stepping out into the sun. One of the reasons why it's very important to wear an SPF, especially when you do have acne, is because SPF, when wearing a sunscreen, actually help prevent darkening any type of scar that you may have from acne, which will cause dark marks. And also it helps from dark marks from becoming even darker. So I do love to use the Urban Skin RX, the Pro Strength Even Tone Daily Defense Mineral Moisturizer that has an SPF of 30. And I like to use this just because mineral moisturizers or mineral sunscreens actually have like a sheer type of application, and it actually works way better on my skin just because I do react badly when it comes to chemical sunscreens. I like to just put a little. You can either do like, I do like sometimes 2 finger widths worth of product, so that much of product, and then just apply it to the skin and the neck. Don't forget the neck, child. Now, one thing with this, you do have to like make sure like you moisturize it, like massage it all the way into the skin just so it can have that sheer effect. So that is it with applying my sunscreen onto my face. So important. Another tip that I definitely recommend when it comes to acne and discoloration is when you do have acne and you are starting an acne treatment, once your skin finally does clear up, do not stop your acne treatment regimen. That is one of the worst things that you can do, is to stop your regimen to help fight your acne, because all it is going to do is just bring back your acne, because obviously it's depending on those products, and we want to keep our skin clean and clear. So never abruptly stop your skincare routine when it comes to acne or discoloration, hyperpigmentation type of treatments. So yeah. So you guys, so that completes my entire skincare routine when it comes to fighting my acne, treating my acne, and helping to reduce my hyperpigmentation on my skin. Okay, so I will go ahead and link down all the products that I did mention and use in today's video down below in the description box. And if you did enjoy this good old video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. Go ahead and give a comment down below about your thoughts, your opinions, all of that. And if you have not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. Join the Tam Kam fam, and I hope to see you guys in the next upload. Bye, guys.